Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a look with Alamar Cosmetics. This is the palette that I will be using today. We got this palette a year ago in BoxyCharm and I really like it, super cute. I've only used it a couple of times, but see, this is what it looks like. And I'm also going to be using the Alamar Cosmetics blush. And I'm not a big fan of the shades that I got because they're like really light for my skin. If I put 30 layers of this shade right here, it does work for me, but other than that, it doesn't. So yeah, that's what I will be doing today. And if you guys want to know the name of this palette, it is Reina del Caribe Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1. So yeah, let's begin. Okay, so I'm going to begin with the shade Coco Taxi, which is this nice light orange. And I'm going to put it all over my crease.
Oh shit, forgot. Never mind, not yet you guys. I have to prime my eyes.
So I'm going to apply e.l.f. primer off camera and I will be right back. So today is Friday, June 14 as I film this. I'm not sure if you guys are going to see it tomorrow, which is the 15th or the 16th or the 17th. But I'm upset that I haven't got my BoxyCharm yet. So I'm going to apply this all over my crease. The Coco Taxi shade, if you guys forgot. And everyone already received their BoxyCharm except for me. And I emailed BoxyCharm and they still haven't emailed me back. If you guys hear the AC, I'm sorry, but I can't turn it off. It's on in the living room, but I could hear it all the way over here. Hopefully you guys can't hear it in the video. It's like 115 degrees right now. So today is Friday and I'm excited because I'm gonna eat pizza. I haven't eaten pizza in a while. And I'm also going to the movies. I'm gonna watch Secret Life of Pets Part 2 or something like that. I love cartoon movies, you guys. Let me know if you guys already watched it or want to go watch it. Okay, now I'm going to go into the shade. I don't know if I should use Guantanamera or Tropico. I'm gonna go into the shade Guantanamera, this one right here. I like big words in Spanish. I know a lot of tongue twisters. Oh, and I'm just gonna put it like right here just to deepen the corner, or I don't know, this part, you guys. And I'm using this Profusion brush. It's like a fluffy brush. There you go. It looks about the same. Okay, now I'm going back into the Coco Taxi and apply it up here ever so slightly just to blend out the edges. Okay, I'm going back into the Guantanamera because I feel like it doesn't look the same. Okay, back to the fluffy brush with no extra product. I'm just gonna blend out. So I'm thinking of cutting my hair, you guys. I'm not really sure. I haven't cut my hair in like 2 years or a year, something like that. So I might cut it soon, next week. Hopefully I don't look weird to you guys. This one has no product. I'm just gonna try to blend this in. Okay, now I'm going to go into the shade Tropico, this orange right here. And I think I'm going to put it all over my lid with this Alamar flat brush. I don't know, I feel like I should go in with a shimmer. Okay, now I'm going back into the fluffy brush with no product just to blend these in. Okay, maybe I am gonna add a little bit of Coco Taxi. Now with this Luxie brush right here, I think it's like round brush or mini round brush, I'm going to go in the shade I thought I said La Cosita, but it's the shade La Costa. This one right here is just like a shimmery rose gold type of thing, and I'm going to apply it in my inner corner. For some reason, my inner corner looks wrinkled today.
I'm getting old.
I actually didn't get a good night's sleep last night. I had a migraine. I have migraines every day, but last night I had a migraine, and when you have migraines, well, I don't know about other people, but I can't sleep when I have a migraine. Okay, now I'm going to apply eyeliner and mascara off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, I am back. I applied eyeliner and mascara, and I also applied the Ofra Miami Fever liquid lipstick. This is the first time that I try this liquid lipstick. It's like orange. I kind of feel like it matches the look, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I've never worn orange lipstick before. Now I'm going to apply blush, and I'm going to apply the shade Paraíso, this pink one right here. I do have a little bit of blush already from earlier today, but I mean, I like blush, so let's add more. And this blush is like super powdery. Look, I don't know if you guys can see. It has a lot of fallout. Oh, my brush is not dirty, it's just stained. I don't have a good brush for blush, so I need to get one. I'm just gonna get my powder brush with no product to blend out the edges. Now I'm going to add a little bit of highlight, and I'm going to be using Pretty Vulgar. We got this in a BoxyCharm as well. And I got the shade Sparkling Sass. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to apply it with this Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush. I got this in a BoxyCharm last year, I think. I'm not sure. Oh, and did you guys notice I actually went to get my eyebrows done? I get them threaded, if you guys were wondering. So anyways, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I really like how my eyeshadow came out. It's like, it's not too dramatic. It's just like, I don't know, I feel like this would be like an everyday look. I don't know. What do you guys think? So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you guys did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up so I could know that you guys actually liked it. And don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.